Every night, you go unconscious for hours. But what if I told you that's when your body is the most alive? While you think nothing is happening, your body is doing things you'd never believe. Number 1, your brain cleans itself. Literally, it washes away toxins, like a reset button for your mind. Number 2, you're paralyzed. Every night, your body shuts down your muscles, so you don't act out your dreams. Number 3, you grow taller. Your spine decompresses while you sleep, making you slightly taller by morning. Number 4, your body goes into defense mode. Your immune system strengthens, fighting things you don't even know are there. Number 5, your brain edits your life. It replays memories, decides what to keep and what to erase. Number 6, you get smarter. Your brain solves problems in the background, sometimes waking you up with answers. Number 7, your body cools down. Your temperature drops, saving energy while you rest. Number 8, you release powerful hormones. This is when your body repairs and rebuilds itself. Number 9, you lose weight. Just by breathing, you burn calories all night long. And number 10, your brain can be more active than when you're awake. Dreaming isn't rest, it's another reality. So the next time you think sleep is a waste of time, remember, it's when your body is doing its most important work. Follow for more content